Think and Grow Rich. Chapter 1. Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Welcome to the audiobook of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, a timeless guide to unlocking your potential and achieving extraordinary success. I'm thrilled to take you through Chapter 1, Desire, the starting point of all achievement. This chapter is the foundation of everything you'll learn in this book. It's about igniting a burning desire that fuels your dreams and propels you toward greatness. If you're ready to transform your life, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's dive in. What sets successful people apart from the rest? It's not luck, talent, or even hard work alone. According to Napoleon Hill, it's desire, a burning, unshakable obsession with achieving a specific goal. Desire is the spark that lights the fire of achievement. It's what drives ordinary people to do extraordinary things. In this chapter, Hill introduces us to the power of desire through stories, principles, and practical steps you can apply today. Let's start with a story that Hill shares about Edwin C. Barnes, a man with no money, no connections, and no formal education. Barnes had one thing, an unrelenting desire to work with Thomas Edison, the greatest inventor of his time. This wasn't just a wish, it was an obsession. Barnes didn't want to work for Edison, he wanted to be his partner. He visualized himself standing side by side with Edison, contributing to world-changing inventions. Despite having no resources, Barnes took a bold step. He hopped on a freight train to New Jersey and showed up at Edison's doorstep. His passion and determination impressed Edison, who gave him a chance. Over time, Barnes didn't just meet his goal, he became Edison's key business partner, building a fortune through the Edison dictating machine. What can we learn from Barnes? Desire isn't passive. It's not hoping or wishing. It's a white-hot commitment to your goal, no matter the obstacles. Hill calls this a burning desire, and it's the starting point of all achievement. Think about it. Every great American success story begins with this kind of desire. Take Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty in Mississippi, she faced unimaginable challenges: poverty, abuse, and discrimination. But Oprah had a burning desire to share stories that inspire and uplift. That desire drove her to become one of the most influential media moguls in history, with a net worth of over $2.5 billion. Her story shows that desire, paired with action, can overcome any barrier. Now, let's break down Hill's first principle. Desire is the foundation of success. Without it, your goals are just dreams. With it, they become inevitable. Hill emphasizes that desire must be definite. You can't just want success or wealth. You need a clear, specific goal. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I will earn $1 million by launching a tech startup by 2030. Specificity turns vague wishes into actionable plans. Let's look at a modern example. Elon Musk didn't just dream of building cool cars. He had a definite desire to revolutionize transportation and make humanity a multi-planetary species. When he founded Tesla, people laughed. Electric cars were a niche market, and the auto industry was dominated by giants. But Musk's desire was unshakable. He invested his own money, worked 100-hour weeks, and pushed through near bankruptcy. Today, Tesla is valued at over $1 trillion, and SpaceX is landing rockets on barges. Musk's story proves that a definite desire, backed by persistent action, can change the world. So, how do you cultivate this kind of desire? Hill gives us 6 practical steps to turn your dreams into reality. Let's walk through them, and I'll show you how to apply them to your life. First, fix in your mind the exact goal you desire. Be specific. Want to start a business? Don't just say, "I want a business." Say, "I will launch a sustainable clothing brand generating $100,000 in revenue by 2027. Write it down. Clarity is power. For example, when Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, started her journey, she didn't just want to sell clothes. She had a clear goal: create comfortable, confidence-boosting shapewear for women. That specificity led her to become America's youngest self-made billionaire. Second, determine what you'll give in return for this goal. Success demands a price: time, effort, sacrifice. What are you willing to give? Maybe it's working nights after your day job or learning new skills. Take J.K. Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter while living on welfare as a single mom. She sacrificed comfort and sleep, writing in cafes while her baby napped. Her desire to share her story with the world fueled her persistence, and today she's one of the most successful authors ever. Third, set a definite date for achieving your goal. Deadlines create urgency. If you want to be a top software engineer, don't say, someday. Say, I will land a senior developer role at a tech firm by June 2027. A real-world example? Mark Zuckerberg set a deadline to launch the Facebook while still in college. He and his team worked relentlessly, launching the site in 2004. That deadline-driven desire turned him into a billionaire by age 23. Fourth, create a definite plan and begin at once. You don't need a perfect plan, but you need to start. Break your goal into small steps. Want to be a YouTuber? Your plan might be Week 1, research equipment. Week 2, film a test video. Week 3, learn editing. Take Mr. Beast, one of America's biggest YouTubers. He started with simple videos as a teen, learning as he went. His desire to create viral content led him to study algorithms, experiment constantly, and now he has over 300 million subscribers. Fifth, write a clear, concise statement of your goal. Combine the previous steps into one sentence. For example, by December 2028, I will earn $500,000 by launching a fitness coaching app, working 60 hours a week, and investing $10,000 in development. Read this statement daily. Hill says this programs your subconscious to stay focused. It's like planting a seed that grows into reality. Sixth, read your statement aloud twice a day. Do it in the morning and before bed with emotion and conviction. Visualize yourself achieving the goal. Feel the excitement, the pride. This is called Autosuggestion, and it rewires your mind for success. Hill shares how Andrew Carnegie, the steel magnate, used this technique to visualize his empire before he built it. Carnegie's desire and mental focus made him one of the richest men in history. These 6 steps are your roadmap. They're not just theory. They've worked for millions. Let's make them real for you. Think about your biggest goal right now. Maybe it's starting a business, getting a promotion, or writing a book. Pause this audiobook for a moment and grab a pen. Write down your definite goal, what you'll give in return, and a deadline. Then, commit to reading it aloud every day. This simple act can change your life. Now, let's address a common question. What if obstacles get in the way? Hill reminds us that desire must be stronger than your fears. Take Thomas Edison himself. He failed over 10,000 times while inventing the light bulb. Most people would quit, but Edison's desire to light up the world kept him going. Each failure taught him something new. Today, we live in a world illuminated by his persistence. When you face setbacks, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I keep moving forward? Another powerful lesson from this chapter is the importance of faith in your desire. Hill says, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. This isn't just positive thinking, it's about building unshakable confidence in your goal. Look at Serena Williams, one of the greatest athletes ever. Growing up in Compton, she faced doubters who said tennis wasn't for her. But Serena believed in her desire to dominate the sport. She visualized every serve, every trophy. That faith, paired with relentless effort, led her to 23 Grand Slam titles. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how to sustain your desire. Hill warns that desire can fade if you don't nurture it. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, mentors, friends, or even online communities. Avoid naysayers who drain your energy, and keep learning. Read books, take courses, listen to podcasts like this audiobook. Desire grows when you feed it with knowledge and positivity. That's Chapter 1 of Think and Grow Rich. You've learned that desire is the starting point of all achievement, a burning, definite obsession that turns dreams into reality. Edwin Barnes, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, they all started with desire. Now it's your turn. Take those 6 steps, write your goal, and read it daily. Your future self will thank you. What's your burning desire? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear. If this audiobook inspired you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss Chapter 2, where we'll explore the power of faith. You can find the next chapter in the playlist linked in the description. Until then, keep your desire burning bright and let's grow rich together.